Welcome everybody again to Learn English for Kids. I'm David and this is Jenny. I hope you enjoyed the last video and today we will be learning 3 more letters.
Today's letters are going to be N, O and P. สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่อง Learn English for Kids วันนี้เราก็จะมาเรียนการออกเสียงอักษรภาษาอังกฤษกันค่ะและอักษรที่เราจะเรียนวันนี้ก็คือ N, O และ P ค่ะ
Okay, so let's look at the phonic sound for letter N. Okay, so it is and repeat after me. Very good. Okay, our first word for the letter N is nail. 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 And repeat after me. Nail.
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 Okay, and our second word is needle. 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 And repeat after me. Needle.
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 Okay, very good. Okay, and our second letter. What letter comes after N, Jenny?
It's letter O.
Okay, O. Okay, so let's look at our first phonic sound for O. 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 And repeat after me. O. O.
O. O.
Okay, very good. And our first word for the letter O is orange. Orange. O. Orange. O. Orange. And repeat after me. O. Orange.
O. Orange.
O. Orange.
O. Orange.
Very good. And our second word for letter O is octopus. Octopus. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. And repeat after me. O. Octopus.
O. Octopus.
O. Octopus.
O. Octopus.
Very good. Okay, so what letter comes after letter O then, Jenny?
Letter P.
P. Very good. So our last letter for this class lesson is letter P. Okay? And the phonic sound for letter P is P. P. And repeat after me. P. 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 Very good. Okay. Our first word for letter P is pig. Pig. P. Pig. P. Pig. And repeat after me. P. Pig.
P. Pig.
P. Pig.
P. Pig.
Okay, and our second word for letter P is pencil. Pencil. P. Pencil. P. Pencil. And repeat after me. P. Pencil.
P. Pencil.
P. Pencil.
P. Pencil.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Well, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So today, remember our letters were N, O, and P. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you press the bell notification so that you know every time we release a new video.
ถ้าชอบก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กด subscribe และอย่าลืมกดกระดิ่งกันนะคะ
Okay, bye-bye. See you again next time. Bye-bye.